Thank you.
Massage.
Wow. Is it warm or cold?
Ay, very cold. It's warm and cold.
Warm and cold. All right.
Hot. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Come on.
There you go.
All right. What? I'm not sure yet. Ah, so this is the cooker. It's hot in there. You can see the flames. Richie's Basug. I'm not sure which one I should try though.
You should try this.
I think that one, yeah.
Just one. This flavor? Ah, okay.
There's a top and bottom.
Đô có gì quỵ quỵ ơi, cái gì để cho bao hố?
Wow, very cool. Come on.
Come on.
That's really unique.
Hot?
It is hot, yeah. That's very cool. So you can taste the peanuts, the coconut, and then the pancake. Very tasty. So if you like street food, this is definitely the street to come to.
It's huge octopus.
Wow, that is huge.
Wow.
Alright guys, we're just about to have dinner. I just want to show you these unique restaurants. Richie's right here. I'm just going to walk around in a circle. Here's the alleyway. So there's different ways you can enter. So I'm going to walk around this way. So you can go either way. I'm just gonna go this way. You can park your bike here. Here's the outside. And here's the entryway. There's fish in there. So now we're back where I started. It's like we're inside but outside. Bicycle, and this one goes out to the alley as well. You can catch your own fish. This is pretty unique.
Yeah, this picture.
Yeah. Richie's just came in. Wow. It smells delicious.
Yeah, good. Even cucumber tastes good.
You know your meal's good when you can make a cucumber taste good.
Try.
All right.
The sauce is good.
I'm gonna drench it. All right. Good luck trying to get that out.
I think this
3
will
days
not-
later.
This will not pass.
Look, it's got a handle right there.
Yeah, I like giving myself a hard time.
As soon as I turn the camera off, Richie's gonna be gnawing that.
Yes.
We're just being polite for the camera. Pretty good? It is delicious. There you go, there you go. This is probably one of the better restaurants we've been to yet. This one's really good. That sauce looks amazing.
Honey on top.
And here's my pizza. Thank you very much. The pepperoni and the pineapple. The best combination. And I always have to change it just a little bit because each time I see pizza on the menu that says like pineapple, it's always the combination with ham. That's like the normal. Usually it's ham and pineapple, but I always change it for the pepperoni. I get that every single time when I'm at home. Want to try a piece?
After this.
After that, all right.
I want to enjoy.
We'll
if you
see.
still have, I will.
Okay, sounds good. So I'm gonna start eating this. I'll try one piece so you guys can see how it tastes. All right, here we go. Looks pretty good. Abracadabra. Good job. He's preparing to go underneath the bridge. It's a tight squeeze.
Này sợ mốc lắm, sợ mốc. Sau nó sẽ mốc đựng quả, biết là nước rồi là con nước, con dây vào ấy. Makan mie nó. הרגל הזה לא מוזר לך, זה כאילו, דבר לידך.